Ang aksidente ay hindi sinasadya. Kailangan umagsayan at tumulong. Para lalaban para sa bayan. Magsiyang banat sa negosyo para bumawi. At muling tumabay ang nasimulan. Problema sa negosyo ay maiwasan perlang. Important hindi tayo titigilan. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business Henry C. With your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. Ang siga ng katarungan ni Tatang sa SM the SM Supermalls. Action plan to save the victims of escalator incident happen coming this April 15th. 2023 simulcast on Facebook and YouTube. Henry C., the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again, and welcome to Ninong TV. You're watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers, and today is another action of learning the businesses of Mr. Henry C. And for today's video, we will have ang sigaw ng katarungan ni Tatang sa SM. The SM Supermalls action plan to save the victims of escalator incident happen. Alright, so for this video vlog, I will give you the happenings last week ago. So nag-1 month na rin pala ito. The SM Laguna or SM City Santa Rosa Laguna has their incident. And it's also a challenge happened by the C family of encountered of this kind of problem. So in this video vlog, I will show you how SM Supermalls do their action plan on saving the people and to continue the good legacy of Mr. Henry C. in the SM. So in other words, sa Tagalog, hindi naman po ito pamamahiya, no? Or hindi naman to discourage itong gagawin natin video vlog. You know, this video vlog's aim is to see how the C family of Mr. Henry C. do their action plan, yung literal na action talaga, na hindi lang sa larangan ng action of business, of helping people, di ba? Pero we will discover here the action that they did in the accident happen, di ba? So para lang naman tayong para din tayong nandito sa story is yung mga buhay din natin, di ba? So if we have the business, nagkaroon tayo ng failures, nagkaroon tayo ng pagsubok sa negosyo, sa product, sa sales. So nagkaroon ng mga issue, di ba? Yung mga products natin, sa mga tindahan natin bilang mga business owner. So, ano nga bang ginagawa natin? Di ba, lumalaban tayo. We take sorry, we make plans para ma-improve pa yung mga benta natin sa business natin or kahit sa trabaho. Pagka tayo nakakagawa ng hindi maganda sa trabaho, we are making a letter, we are making some plans para mag-improve pa yung ating work. So, this will be the lesson that you will witness is a connection also to all of us. Kasi wala namang perfect sa mundo, di ba? So kailangan for every mistake, for every risk, kailangan nating bumangon. Di ba? Kasi yun naman talagang kailangan para the best pa rin tayo, matibay pa rin tayo sa business at makisig pa rin tayo in service. So this is the aim of the presentation. Hindi ako isa sa mga rally na ay galit ako sa SM kasi nasugatan ako, ay galit ako, nalaglag ako doon. For this segment, I will show you here how SM do their action, yung bawi, no? Laban, bawi ang dating dito. Kasi hindi rin naman biro na magkaroon ng incident report. Kung taong bayan pa natin, mga fans pa natin, di ba? Sa SM ang naapektuhan. So, for the first introduction that I will show you here is yung ating tragedy happened in the SM. And of course, what will be the next plan of the C family or the SM Foundation or the SMICD to serve and to help the people after this incident? Okay, for the next episode that you will witness is the action plan done by SM Supermalls to help the victims of escalator. Tsaka yung mga sorry moment nila, tsaka yung isang hugot guide ni Mr. Henry C. Sa mga ganitong sakuna, we are experiencing the tragedy, the business risk, di ba? So, paano nga ba natin to lalabanan? Paano natin to gagawa ng paraan? Parang business is mag-run pa rin into a win-win situation kahit tayo ay sinusubok ng pagkakataon. So, you will discover here the Henry C's hugot about problems in business. So, kumbaga, nandyan pa rin yung turo gabay niya sa mga C family kung anong gagawin nila pag nagkaroon ng ganitong encounter sa negosyo, yung mga accident, yung mga failures, di ba? And of course, the action plan by the SM Supermalls of Laguna, yung ginawa nilang pag-rescue sa mga naapektuhan ng escalator na yan. So, you will check it out.
There is no such thing as overnight success or easy money. If you fail, do not be discouraged. Try again. From your Henry C. Sr., the action for business, and your king of Philippine business.
Okay, thank you for watching. And for next episode that you will witness here is the action of business they did. Bukod sa action ng ginawa nila, that they helping the people, mga nasugatan, napilayan, etc. First aid, diba? Nandiyan yung rescue nila. So, ano nga ba yung mga action pa ng C family of Mr. Henry C. To continue the good quality of business and to serve the people pa rin. Diba? Para maging love na love pa rin natin, maging bet na bet pa rin natin si Henry C at ang SM Supermalls niya. So, you will witness here the project that they did, yung kanilang SM Woman Sales, yung kanilang SMX Cultural Events. Meron pa nga sa kultura event, tapos yung may nag-visit na K-pop sa MOA. Hindi si Enhypen, bukod pa doon, may bumisita. No? So, ilan lang to sa mga action plan that Mr. Henry C. and the C family is doing para tayo muling bumawi. Kumbaga, tayo may nagawang kasalanan, di ba? Ano yung mga ginagawa nating way para ang mga tao is magtiwala pa rin sa atin. Diba? So, we will check it out on the next episode, ang pagbawi at ang katarungan para ipaglaban muli ang the best mall of Mr. Espen.
Success is not just good luck, it is a combination of hard work, good credit standing, opportunity readiness, and timing from your Henry C. Sr.
Okay, you've just witnessed the action plan of Mr. Henry C. That is a good deed. Pag tayo ay nakakagawa ng risk, challenges, mga hindi maiwasang pagsubok, so kailangan nating labanan talaga yan. It's just like we student, no? In our exam day, in our school days, pag tayo ay bumabagsak sa ating subject, sa math, science, nakakuha tayo ng 70, no? Nakakuha tayo ng 20 out of 100. Diba? Lugi-lugi yun. At ang ating mga magulang ay nai-stress, nagagalit. So, anong ginagawa natin at the end? Or on the next battle? Dapat manalo tayo. Diba? Dapat makapasa tayo. We can have a good grade. Next. Para next report, matutuwa ang ating magulang. Diba? So, it's just like the action in the real life. Diba? Kagaya na ito, ang ating King of Philippine Business nagkakaroon din ng problema sa negosyo, nagkakaroon ng mga incident happen, and the C family is keep on fighting. So, after ma-resolve yung nangyari doon sa incident, they still doing the great business to serve the people, to give what they need, what they want, pasayahin kayo. Diba? Yan naman talaga yung number one priority ni Mr. Henry C. Ang pasayahin ang mga tao sa mall dahil kayo ang tunay na bida sa kanyang SM. Diba? Kaya Mr. Henry C. until now, napipil pa rin natin yung legacy niya. Napipil pa rin natin, kasama pa rin natin siya every time na nasa SM tayo. Because of the services that he given na tinatrabaho ngayon ng mga C-family ng kanyang mga apo at anak to serve the people. Diba? So para makalimutan na natin yung laglag escalator, mabuhusan naman tayo ng mga pagpapala, ng mga blessing, ng mga happiness, CSR of the C-family. Diba? That regards in culture, in business, in people, diba? Mga lungkot at bighati na palitan ng tuwa at saya. Diba? Lalo na may K-pop na naman na dumating sa MOA. So, on the next episode that you will discover here is the SM Foundation to create more schools this 2023. So, CSR, diba? Lumalaban pa rin, may CSR. So, may action na sa negosyo, may action pa rin sa pagtulong sa kapwa. So, ganyan si Mr. Henry, talagang parang FPJ lang din yan. Pag inaapi ka, lumaban ka at ibigay mo yung tunay na kalakasan mo para ikaw ay manalo. Diba? So, the SM Foundation will create more schools this 2023 in selected areas of this country, Philippines. So, you will check it out. Okay, thank you for watching, and again for our watchers and researchers, the title of our program, Ang Sigaw ng Katarungan ni Tatang sa SM. The SM Supermalls Action Plan to save the victims of escalator incident happened. So thank you to all of our subscribers and watchers. You may download this one for your presentation, for your study, for only 100 pesos because this Ninong TV is sale from March 16 to June 1. So, last week pa nag-start ang sale na ito. And hopefully, you can buy and you can screenshot for only 50 pesos pagka may gusto kayong i-present for our researchers, for our student na nagre-research about Henry, about SM, from challenge up to successful, up to bawi moments, di ba? Pinipresent ko sa school nyo na si SM nagkaroon ng problema pero eto, lumalaban pa rin. So, you may contact me on my Facebook, on my Denver Ninong Castro account on Facebook and even in Instagram. Chat nyo ako and I will reply you. And you may also share na lang. Kung wala kayong budget, you may share na lang to YouTube or to Facebook. You can watch it anytime, anywhere naman. So, thank you. And God bless all of you, and let's just study hard. Let's work hard. Sa mga risk, hindi natin maiwasan yan. Pero ang importante, hindi tayo titigil. Let's pray more. Let's work more. And let's create more plans para maging successful pa rin tayo. Tignan nyo naman, no, Mr. Henry C. and the C family. The challenge that they came up, yung escalator. Diba? So, lumaban sila. Gumawa sila ng paraan para ang SM ay maging the best pa rin. They help, they rescue the people there, and they create more opportunities, they create more ways to sail. So, lumalaban. Parang FPJ lang yan na inapi at the end. Siyang panalo, diba? Just like Henry, in action of making film, in action of making people become happier in the SM. Diba? Kasi sa SM, kayo ang tunay na bida. Hindi naman po yan kay Henry C. Inyo po ang SM. Kaya ginagawa niyang lahat para pasayahin at ibigay ang lahat ng pangangailangan niyo sa mundong ito. At yan, ang Tito Henry niyo. Thank you for watching once again and see you for my another video vlog. Goodbye and thank you.